What's the best price for all the Wii stuff?
All the Wii stuff, including like the guitar and the drum set and stuff. You've got a lot of accessories. Or
I know.
Just looking at the games.
No, I don't know. I guess if the price is good, I'll take it all. I'm not doing that one. That's all when it's closed. I should have probably parked up here and just walked. These streets are tight too. This one looks like it's all kids clothes. It's all kids clothes. Been to 3 community yard sales and nothing. Nothing. How are you today?
Good, thanks. Not raining.
I know. It's a perfect day. I think it's supposed to rain later though, right?
Yeah. I would say though, this has been one of the best weeks we've ever had in Pittsburgh.
Yeah. Weather-wise,
Isn't that sad? I mean, we had 5 days, 6 days in a row.
7 days, yeah.
Yes, we did. It was. Yeah. Everything's falling off. Because it's humid.
Yeah.
Well, okay. I don't know what happened.
What's the best price for all the Wii stuff?
All the Wii stuff,
All the
including
Wii
like the
stuff.
guitar and the drum set and stuff. You've got a lot of accessories. Or
I know.
Just looking at the games.
No, I don't know. I guess if the price is good, I'll take it all. I don't know, the drums maybe not.
Yeah. If you
That's a little bit too much, I
Yeah,
think.
you
I'm
want the games-
starting to think. So we got these, maybe this, maybe even the PS2. See, let's see.
With the controllers.
Sure.
Yeah, so let's sing it and then the 2 rock band games.
Okay. See, we were sort of trying to keep the rock band games with the guitar and the drums, and the mic. It doesn't think you need them all together. I'm not a Wii person. I don't know
Yeah,
what I'm talking about, but
Kind of go together, but I mean,
Yeah, they go together, but
somebody
if
might
you-
just be
if-
looking for the drums.
drums. That's
So,
if you want to take the box and then the box with the maracas
Okay.
in it, you get 25 for that. Because there's 14 of the Wii games in there, and then there's
Okay.
1 Wii game with the maracas in there.
Okay, and then what, so 25, what would you do for
That's-
this?
do you want
That's
all the
hers,
all the PlayStation or just the controller? Do you want the guitar and the
I'd probably just this.
just that?
So, 25.
That I mean, I could do 30 on that if you're good. So
Would you do 50 for the PlayStation and all the Wii games?
That's fine with me. If it's
That's
good
fine.
with you.
Okay. And then if you guys, and then maybe I'll stop back later and if you don't sell it, maybe I'll pick those up too if you want to keep those together. That's fine. It's the first buy today. I went to another community sale, there's nothing there.
But it seems like the games are the
I know, that's why I'm actually shocked they're still here.
Yeah, that's
that's been what everybody's looked at.
My kids will play it, so
That's good.
there you go. Thank you.
If you need that, or that
You know
can go
what?
in the box.
Yeah, I'll probably just put this in the
use
box
the-
down here.
I'll take that. I'll take the tag.
Okay.
Take
What's
the
the
tag.
CD that's sitting on the guitar then?
That's the
Guitar
that's
Hero.
the Guitar Hero game.
Oh, you don't have a box for it. Okay,
Right.
cool. Just
There's
making
those.
sure it wasn't something
And this is
someone
the,
else had.
yeah,
That's-
the chords
yeah,
for that
that's
one.
Right.
Now.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Just making sure it wasn't like.
Yeah,
I tested that too. So.
not a problem. Be right back for the other one.
Yeah, I think so. There's no sign. Oh, that's what you're asking. Morning, how are you?
Good, you?
Good, sorry, I left the babies.
Oh, it's all good. We just got rid of a ton, so.
Yes. What a feeling.
It is when you start emptying bins.
Yes. Good morning.
How are you?
Yeah.
This is what the one
my job.
like in my bowl
Oh, yeah?
right here. The orange one. You call me?
Huh? Oh, I thought you said me.
I did not.
I
I think Rooney did. I didn't know what this was.
Where's that?
Is it a wrap skirt?
Let me see.
Oh no, this is a.
Figure it out.
I think it's a pool cover up something. Something. I don't know. Oh, I think it's shorts. I think that's what it is. Where you bring it up and tie it. I'm having memories. Right? And it's pretty.
Wow.
Working our best.
I think we'll do this one.
Do the first. Audrey, this is yours, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I was gonna say I didn't recognize it. Sorry.
Oh, you know what? I don't have any of my things.
I'll get
Oh, you're a big one.
Yeah.
Big one.
I got tons of pictures next time. Yeah, okay. Have a good one. Thank you. Okay. That's when they went and never came back out. I figured I was at a good place for them to be. What did she say?
Something about an alligator. Was there an alligator in that book?
Oh, maybe there was. Okay. Alligator.
How are you today?
Good. How are you?
Good. Pay for that. think just this.
Alright. Thank you.
I think it was 50 cents.
50?
Yeah.
Oh, pull out that
Yep.
bucket. Alright.
Been busy yet?
Nah, not quite. Hopefully the weather holds out.
I know. I think it's supposed to rain later, so you guys.
Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to be until probably 1. Noon or 1.
Perfect. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Hey guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that footage from this 3 community yard sales. Now, if you follow us on Instagram, you would have noticed that they were probably, in my book, the 3 worst community yard sales I've ever been to. The first one, I don't think I found anything at. I really didn't film there too much. It was just, it was honestly, it was bad. The second one, it got a little bit better, and I was able to find a couple things, which I'll show you here. And the third one was okay too. I found some stuff there that I definitely think I can make a profit on. Now, I was very picky on items too, and I think that might have had a reason why I didn't find a lot of stuff. Before, I'd have probably just been buying up a ton of stuff, but there was honestly just a lot of baby clothes. And I was just not trying to buy baby clothes this time. Because honestly, baby clothes do not sell for us. Now, we can sell some smaller sizes sometimes, but baby clothes just don't sell. So I'm going to show you a couple things here real quick and show you what we found. So we found this at the second community sale. These are the maracas for the Nintendo Wii. Put your controller in there. So there's 4 of them here. So what I'm going to do is probably put 2 of these with the game that I'll show you in a second. So these were the games we found. We found Link's Crossbow Training. Here's the game for the maracas. So I'll probably put 2 with the game, then sell 2 by themselves. Super Monkey Ball, Harry Potter, what is that? Raving Rabbids, Tiger Woods 09, Active Life, We Play, My Sims Kingdom, Happy Feet Playground, Little's Pet Shop, My Sims, We Fit, Dance Dance Revolution, and another My Sims. That sale had a bunch of games and Wii stuff. They had the guitars, they had the drum set. Everything was put together. They didn't have the boxes, so I didn't feel like taking stuff apart and trying to do that. If they had the boxes and everything was in the box, I probably would have bought everything they had. I told them to give me a deal on everything, and then they were really, I don't know, I don't want to say weird about it, but they were just not really trying to, they wanted to get rid of it, but they didn't. That's what it seemed like to me. We'll get to the next thing. I bought at that one too, but then I found these. These are the first time I found these. These are Tupperware ketchup and mustard dispensers. It actually has the caps here that go on top, one like that, and then one on top of the mustard. We paid 50 cents for those, so they sell for about $10 for the set plus shipping. The next thing we found along with these, we found this PS2. This is the bigger box edition of it. We got this with the 2 controllers, and I think all the games came to 50 bucks right there. So not too bad. This will sell pretty good. It was tested and it works. And the games will probably be $2 to $3 games each. We're not going to make a huge profit on this stuff, but we'll still make a profit. Then while I was at one of the sales, as I was walking up, I noticed a neighbor had some stuff out and it said free. Well, I like free stuff, so I went over and checked it out. And I found a Cuisinart Art juicer. Not sure if it works. Still haven't tried it out. We just put one of the pieces in the dishwasher. If it doesn't work, I'll probably part that one out for sure. But this next item that they have for free I thought was kind of cool, and I just grabbed it because it was free. It was this picture frame. Now it's kind of a cool, I don't know, picture frame. I don't know if it's super cool. But Mariposa, what caught my eye was the picture. This older lady hula hooping. As you can see right there, hula hooping. Now I didn't take it out of the frame, which maybe I will. Actually, I'll take it out. Not 100% sure if this is supposed to be in there, if this is like one of those pictures that they put in, or if this was like a family picture. Because I'm really curious, because I'm thinking to myself, maybe this picture could be worth it to sell. People like buying old photographs. Oh, see. Yeah, see, this was printed on there. So what I'm thinking is somebody actually could have made a copy of this picture and then just printed it out on this to save the original. So what I was thinking, I was totally wrong. I was thinking this was going to be an original picture, but it was cut out. Now, somebody still might buy this frame. I didn't do any comps on it or anything, so I'm not 100% sure if it's actually worth anything or not. But guess what? It is free, and I'm not going to be out any money. And the next thing we found, this is actually the last thing we found of the day, pretty much. I think it was. Coach, I know you're probably thinking, Mike, why are you doing this to yourself? I feel like this one is pretty good, so I'll take it out of the bag for you. Coach bag, everything seems pretty legit on it. Again, I could be wrong, but 15 bucks. I thought to myself, I'm gonna take a risk on it. It actually still has some bubble. It still seems brand new. It also has this little one in there like this. So I feel really confident on this one. And what makes me feel really confident on this one was because of the area that I was in. This was a more higher end area. I know higher end areas people can still buy knockoffs and stuff like that. I just still feel that where I was at, I was confident on buying this one. Now, this day with these 3 community yard sales, I had a big decision to make. I could have went to this other area and just hit a bunch of random sales, or I could have went where I went and hit 3 community sales. In my mind, I thought I made the right decision, but as the video proves it, and the haul proves it, I don't think I made the right decision. But I also found stuff that's going to sell that probably won't stick around for long, and I didn't really drive that far. I also found some other stuff too, which is behind me down here. It was a bunch of clothing, but I've actually already sold some of it in a whatnot auction 9 hours after I bought it. So that was really good turnaround. So I'm not going to show you the clothing I got. It's just a bunch of graphic tees and some sweatshirts, some Disney stuff. That was all that was. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, hit that subscribe button, bell notification, like it, comment, and maybe even give us like a super thanks. But until next time, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking.